So let's take a look at this question. A person can complete a job in 120 days. He works alone on day 1. On day 2, he is joined by another person who also can complete the job in exactly 120 days. So the efficiency of the first person and the second person is same. On day 3, they are joined by another person of equal efficiency. Okay. Like this, every day a new person with same efficiency joins the work. How many days are required to complete the job? Okay. So on day 1, what happens is one person whose efficiency is 1 by 120 works. Person 1 works. Okay. Day 1. On day 2, what happens is person 1 plus person 2 work on the same. One more person joins the person 1. So let's say that person is person 2. So 1 by 120 plus 1 by 120. That means on second day it is 2 by 120 work gets done. On day 3, one more person, which is person 1, person 2 and person 3 joins them, which basically gives us 3 by 120 and so on and so forth, right? So if you look at this, it's 1 by 120, 2 by 120, 3 by 120 and so on and so forth. If the efficiency is 1 by 120, then for all the work to get completed, to be complete, the sum of all these values should be 1, right? Let's see on the next page. So 1 by 120 plus 2 by 120 plus 3 by 120 and so on and so forth till nth day at which n by 120 work gets done. This should be equal to 1. Now 120 can be taken common. 1 by 120 is common. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on and so forth till n gives me 1, right? Now if I take this to this side, then this sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n should be equal to 120, right? Now we know arithmetic progressions concept. The first term plus the nth term, which is first term plus n minus 1 into d. D in this case is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1 upon 2, average of both terms multiplied by the number of terms, which is n, should be equal to 120. That's the sum, right? If I just write down the formula, sum of n terms for an AP is first term plus nth term by 2 multiplied by n. Okay. Now this n minus 1 into 1 is n minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled out. So we are left with n plus 1. We are left with n plus 1 here multiplied by n. Upon this 2 goes to this side. This gets multiplied and becomes 240. 120 into 2 is 240. Now we can see that this is the equation that we need to solve. If you divide this, 3 into 8 is 24 into 5 into 2 is 10. So 240's factors are 3 into 8 into 5 into 2. If you look carefully, 3 into 5 is 15 and 8 into 2 is 16. This is 16 and this is 15. If 15 is n, then 15 plus 1 is 16, which when multiplied gives us 240, right? So the n value is 15. The answer here is 15. I hope you understood this. This is a very large question to read, but a quite simple one once you understand the concepts behind it. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.